Fifi presents Key Components of a Comprehensive Financial Plan. Welcome to today's video on creating a comprehensive financial plan. I'm Fifi, and I'll be walking you through the essential steps to take control of your financial future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your existing plan, these tips will help you build a solid foundation. Let's dive in. 1. Financial goals. The first step in any financial plan is setting clear financial goals. These goals give you direction and purpose. Start by asking yourself, what do you want to achieve financially in the short term and long term? Maybe it's buying a house, paying off student loans, or saving for a vacation. Write down your goals and make sure they are SMART, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund within the next 12 months. This makes your goal concrete and easier to track. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and set milestones to celebrate your progress along the way. 2. Emergency fund. Next, let's talk about the emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having a financial cushion can save you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an easily accessible account. This fund will give you peace of mind and financial stability during tough times. Start by setting a small, initial target, such as $1,000, and gradually increase it. Consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This way, you're consistently building your fund without having to think about it. 3. Debt management. Managing debt is crucial for financial health. Start by listing all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and mortgages. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, as it can quickly spiral out of control. Consider strategies like the avalanche method, which focuses on paying off the highest interest debt first, or the snowball method, which targets the smallest balances first to build momentum. Consistently make payments above the minimum when possible. Let's go through an example. Suppose you have a $5,000 credit card debt at 18% interest and a $10,000 student loan at 5% interest. By paying off the credit card debt first, you save more on interest in the long run. Use online calculators to see how extra payments can reduce your debt faster. 4. Investment strategy. Once you've handled your debt, it's time to think about investing. Investing helps grow your wealth over time. Start by understanding your risk tolerance and financial goals. Diversify your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to minimize risk. If you're unsure where to start, consider consulting a financial advisor or using robo-advisors for automated investment management. Let's break down a simple investment portfolio. For a moderate risk tolerance, you might have 60% in stocks, 30% in bonds, and 10% in real estate or other assets. Rebalance your portfolio annually to maintain your desired asset allocation. 5. Retirement planning. Lastly, let's discuss retirement planning. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. Take advantage of retirement accounts like 401(k)s or IRAs, which offer tax advantages. Aim to contribute at least enough to get any employer match if available. Calculate how much you'll need to retire comfortably and create a plan to reach that amount. Regularly review and adjust your retirement strategy as your financial situation changes. For instance, if you receive a raise, consider increasing your retirement contributions. Additional tips. Before we wrap up, here are a few additional tips to enhance your financial plan. 1. Regular reviews. Periodically review and adjust your financial plan to reflect changes in your life, such as a new job, marriage, or the birth of a child. 2. Insurance. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including health, life, and property insurance, to protect your assets and loved ones. 3. Tax planning. Understand your tax obligations and take advantage of deductions and credits to minimize your tax liability. 4. Estate planning. Even if you're young, having a basic estate plan, including a will and power of attorney, can ensure your wishes are followed. Conclusion. To wrap up, a comprehensive financial plan includes setting clear goals, building an emergency fund, managing debt, developing an investment strategy, and planning for retirement. These steps will help you create a stable and prosperous financial future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for